Hey guys, you're watching Jimmy's Garage, and this is the long-term review of the Fortress 175 PSI air compressor from Harbor Freight. Now, I've had this guy for about a year now, and I've done several comparison videos with other machines, and I have to say, this is the best 6-gallon air compressor I've ever owned, bar none. Now, first off, this guy fills up really quickly considering it packs 175 PSI in the tank, taking less than 2 minutes and 40 seconds to fill from 0 to 175. And the recovery time is also really great. And what recovery time is when you're using the machine and it has to kick on to build more pressure, that's the amount of time it takes when it kicks on to get to full tank pressure, which in this case is just 29 seconds. This thing kicks on at 145 PSI, meaning it kicks on really quickly, so it builds pressure back in the tank so you can keep working and you don't have to keep waiting for it to build pressure like other compressors. So what have I used this guy for? Well, the answer is just about everything. You can use this for inflating just about any size tire. It doesn't have to be a lawn tractor. It could be a Jeep or a truck, anything with a tire. It's great for nailing and stapling. It can do that all day. This thing has no problem using an air drill. You can use it light duty for a cutoff tool. It does an awesome job running an impact wrench. I use it all the time for that. And of course, it's great for blowing sawdust. And honestly, the only drawback I have of this machine is that it's noisy. So at the end of the day, if you're looking for a small air compressor that can just about do it all, this is the guy for you. If you can handle the noise, or if you're old and deaf, you're probably going to be fine. Thank you guys for watching.